Hello students, I'm Harshita More. Welcome you all in the fourth lecture of Unit 1 for the subject Human Resource Management for second semester. I have already completed Module 1, but some of the students have messaged me by asking their doubts related to the topic which I have covered. So I thought I should discuss those topics today. So let's discuss the topics which have been asked by the students. Okay, so clarification of the students doubts. So one of the student have messaged me he told me to explain these 2 points. Okay, I haven't took this particular table while explaining the difference between personal management and human resource management, though he has this kind of a doubt. So as a teacher I should clear his doubt, so I thought we'll discuss we discuss with the class itself. So first one is management role. So what is the management role of personal management and what is the management role of human resource management? So management role of personal management is transactional. Transactional means what? They are stick to the particular steps or particular sequence of the activities, right? So that is called as a transactional role. But when it comes to transformational roles means human resource management is focusing on change, right? Transformation is, it can be in the form of, suppose there is an employee who is not proper skilled one, but by giving him training we can transform that unskilled employee into skilled one, right? So that is what the role of human resource management as a transformational. Okay, next is he have asked about this initiative. So initiative is taking one step ahead, right? Okay, so in personal management it is piecemeal. Piecemeal means what? Piecemeal means piece by piece or step by step. So as I have previously also told when I was explaining the transactional, whenever there is a decision making in personal management, they follow step by step activities. Okay, but when it comes to human resource management, they are focusing on a collective decision making that is integrated. So integrated is they are taking collective decision making, and they can able to handle this situation very easily by taking the decision quickly. Whereas personal management takes time, while in the case of decision making. So this is what the first doubt. Next one is one of the person have messaged me to explain this particular aspect, that is he or she, I don't remember, but they have a doubt regarding this particular point: managing staff in cross border situation. So globalization is where there is a freedom of transaction with the throughout the world. Okay, so internationalization, where one country is doing transaction with another country. So when there is a involvement of two country or two or more countries, it automatically reflects that there will be a difference of cultural background, there will be difference of language, difference of climatical conditions. So somewhere it is difficult to manage the staff from both the countries. I have give you example of the India itself. So suppose India is doing any international business with Russia, then there will be a difference of culture. Russian culture is altogether different, Indian culture is altogether different. So sometimes it is difficult to understand or balance both the cultural aspects or climatical conditions of both the countries which are involved in a trade. So that is what I have explained. So in this case I think we can carry on with the same trend. Like I'll be completing module, and after that there will be one session where I'll be clearing your doubts. So thank you for those students who have watched the videos and they have doubts related to the points which I have explained. So I just expect the same level of spirit from you people. So make sure you are watching your videos. You are watching the videos which have been uploaded on the college websites, and make sure you are clearing your doubts related to the topics covered. Okay, that's it. And you people may be having examination, that is first internal, on next week. So I make sure that I'll be giving you notes as soon as possible. Okay, that's it. So anybody is free to ask their doubts related to the topics covered. So thank you.